Have you ever noticed the moment you finally stop thinking about them, they return? When your heart learns to breathe again, that's when they knock, pretending they've changed. If you've ever felt that pain, that cruel timing, then like this video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, did they come back when you finally moved on? They always disappear without warning, leaving you to question what you did wrong. But when you finally stop waiting, when your nights stop aching for their message, that's when you hear from them again. Not because they miss you, but because they feel your silence. They can sense the shift when your heart no longer belongs to them. It's not love they smell, it's power. And when your energy pulls away, they crave the control they once had. They don't come back to love you. They come back to check if they still can. If their ghost still haunts your emotions, they win, even without staying. They test your strength, not your heart. Because when you move on, you steal their favorite drug, your pain, and now they want it back. To them, your distance is rejection, and rejection to a manipulator isn't heartbreak, it's an insult. They return not for closure, but revenge. They'll speak softly, they'll sound sorry, but behind every apology hides curiosity. Do I still matter? You'll feel that warmth again, the same that once burned you, but this time it's colder underneath. Because now, it's not love, it's power wrapped in tenderness. They want to see if you'll still answer, if one message can still break your peace. And when you do, they know they still own a piece of you. They leave to create fear, they return to feed on it. You move on, they panic, because your peace destroys their illusion of power. They'll remind you of old laughter, of late-night talks and promises that died slowly. But this time, they're not here to love. They're here to restart your confusion. They sense you found peace, maybe even someone better. That's when they rush back, pretending to care, just to make sure they're still unforgettable. They remember not the love, but the control. And when your silence erases their name, it threatens their identity. So they come back to rewrite the ending. They'll say, "I'm different now." But change isn't their language. Manipulation is. They only mirror what you want to hear. They feed on your empathy. They know you crave closure, so they offer half-truths and unfinished tenderness. It's not reunion. It's a trap dressed as nostalgia. Even when they're gone again, they leave threads of memory. They know one word from them can still shake you. That's their power. Your heart remembers the pain, yet still trembles at their name. But this time, something's different. The silence doesn't hurt. It heals. They come back to see if they can still break you, but instead, they find you untouchable, and that's what truly destroys them. Their return wasn't meant to heal you, it was meant to reveal you. You finally see that their love was never real. It was ownership dressed as affection. You don't need revenge or answers. Your peace is punishment enough, because nothing haunts them more than realizing you no longer care. They'll come back one last time, hoping your heart forgot what your soul remembers. But this time, you smile and stay silent, because real strength isn't fighting for them, it's walking away without looking back. If you've ever lived this story, if they came back just when you healed, tell me in the comments how it felt, because someone out there needs to hear your truth. And if this story touched your heart, like the video, subscribe, and share it. So maybe the next time they come back, you'll know why.